Do you feel like your days are scattered messes like the majority of the time? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 daily habits that will help you stay organized on a daily basis. Stay tuned. Hi guys, Antoinette here from One Sweet Life, where I help busy mamas like you get organized and design a life that you love. In this video, I wanted to share with you 5 daily habits that will help you stay organized and on track to live the life of your dreams. There have been so many days along my mom journey where I have felt like a complete, total hot mess, where I can't get anything done. My days were just going nowhere and I was just scrambling from day to day, and I had no control of what was happening to me. It almost felt like life was happening to me and not the other way around, so I had been more reactive to my situation than actually proactive and doing things that I needed to do to move forward. I don't know if you feel this way, but sometimes we can just get stuck, and it's really frustrating, right? So I have learned different things that I could implement on a daily basis that actually help me live the life that I really want to. And I'm going to share some of those with you today. Now, the first thing is to wake up really early in the morning. And this may be really hard for some of you because of kids' bedtimes. Maybe they're waking up multiple times throughout the night. But waking up in the morning before the kids has just been amazing for me. I am totally not a morning person at all. Like, growing up, the snooze button was my best friend, and I would snooze and snooze and snooze constantly, and I thought I was just like a lazy person, right? Because all I wanted to do was sleep. But there was so much more to that than I actually really knew about. So now I've been getting up 5:30. And this has been such a lifesaver because this gives me time to do like the miracle morning that I want to do, time to journal, time to work in quiet and exercise and get all this stuff done that I really want to do to better myself before my girls wake up. And it kind of charges my batteries for the day, and I love it. So try it. Now, the second thing, and I preach this to you all the time, is to make your bed. You can start your day and start your room off on the right foot. Once it's made, then your room is pretty much done. Like, if there's clothes that you need to put away, great, you can do that too. But making your bed sets the tone for your entire room. Like, that's the main focal point of your room. So make your bed, and then when you get back into bed at night, it's going to be so much better for you. You feel so much better getting into that beautiful bed. So the third thing is to really plan ahead. Plan what you need to do for the day. Like, being at home, there's a laundry that we have to do, cleaning, tidying, dishes, and housework aside, we have to play with our kids. We need to teach them. We want to play outside with them. We need to cook too, right? We need to prepare breakfast, lunch, dinner, and not to mention the projects that you want to complete for yourself and for your home. So in order to actually get any of these things done, you need to plan out what times you want to accomplish these and what time and how long they're actually going to take, or how long you're going to give yourself to accomplish them. And if you schedule out a project to last 3 hours, it'll last 3 hours. But if you schedule a project to last 1 hour, then that's all you have, then that's all you're going to get for yourself. And then don't schedule it too tight where you're always stressed because you feel like you're rushing, but you don't want to give yourself too much time where you're just kind of like dawdling and not being really focused. You want to focus in on your projects and on your time, so then once the time is up, you're able to move on and have that task be completed. Number 4 is to follow your own plan. I am notorious for planning and planning. I am such a planner. But when it comes to actually following through with my plan, it's a lot harder for me. I don't know why it is this way, but I make a lot of in-the-moment decisions that kind of contradict what I've already planned out. But so follow your own plan. That way you're not ending the day with all these tasks that you didn't do, which are like undos, right? And that gets pushed back tomorrow. That's what I call life debt. That's when we're taking today's tasks because we didn't do them and we push it tomorrow. That means we have to use tomorrow's time to do the tasks that we were supposed to do today. And then that wastes tomorrow's time and energy because we didn't finish what we wanted to do today. And we already have stuff that we wanted to do tomorrow. So follow your own plan. You made it for a reason. And yes, we can always reschedule things, but I am guilty of this, is planning way too much stuff, not getting it done, and having to push it back. If you're stressed on time, plan out less things, right? It's your life, so spread them out. Give yourself enough time, but not too much time, to get your stuff done and actually follow through on your plans. And the fifth daily habit that you should do is to eat a little bit healthier at each meal. Now, this has nothing to do with organizing, but this is something that I have learned through life experience, I guess. And when you eat poorly, like tons of sugar, tons of processed food, you don't feel good. You get tired, you get sluggish, especially after lunch, towards the afternoon. But if you strive to eat just a little bit healthier each meal, not the other way around, you'll actually end up with more energy and more motivation to tackle everything you have on your list, rather than wanting to take a nap with the kiddos. So what do you think? Did I miss a habit that you do on a daily basis? What do you think? Did I miss a daily habit that you do on a daily basis that helps you stay organized? I would love to know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button or share it with your friends. Hit the like button below so I know to make more videos like this one. I'll see you next time. Bye!